What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. That's right, this is the black 512 gigabyte, 12 gigabytes of RAM version. That's right, and here it is in all its glory, the S22 Ultra. Now this thing is an absolute beauty. It's got that box design. I really enjoy this. Now this comes in at $1,099 for the 128 gigabyte version. You can also get the $1199 256 or the $1299 512. I got this on a good deal from Samsung for the pre-order. Now this comes in a few colors, the black as you see here, also a burgundy which is hot, a white which is beautiful, the green is superb, and then if you want to do those special colors, you can get that graphite, the red, or the sky blue. Now, is this an Ultra? Is this an S series? Or is this actually the Galaxy Note 22 impersonating an Ultra? Because it does come with the S Pen. As you can see here, you now have, for the first time, the S Pen inside another device besides the Ultra. Now, as you can see there, you could do Smart Select, you can translate with your pen, you can, what else can you do? S Pen to text, so if you write something down, it'll turn it to text. Also, air actions, if you want to do those. All right, and you can see here, man, it works just like a Note or the S21 Ultra with the pen. But you gotta ask yourself, is this a Note 22 or is this the S22 Ultra? It writes really fast, really fast. The latency on this pen has improved over previous Notes, so the Note works good, and you could do this here as far as when you open the device, you can bust it open like this, and you have your memo here, so you can write yourself a note, write down a number, and you're good to go, and you have the Note working full-fledged on your device. Now this thing is absolute beauty. I like the boxy design. I don't know if a lot of people like that, or they like more the slim design. This comes with a fingerprint reader. We'll get into that in a second, see how it's an ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Now in the box, you don't get much. You get the device, you get the data cable, which is the Type-C cable, you get the ejection pin and a quick start guide, but you do not get a charger. Now this has a 5,000 milliamp battery, so it is a big battery. You get up to, I'm not sure if you get 45 watt charging on here. There's been some debate whether you get that kind of battery charging power, but I know that you do get at least 25 watt charging. This does have wireless charging, which is phenomenal. But if I were you, I would save my money. Don't buy the 45 watt charger, get a 25 watt or maybe a 30 watt charger. I think that's going to be plenty. This will charge up super fast at 25 watts. You'll be surprised. You take a shower, come out, and your phone will be ready to go. Now, this has the Snapdragon Gen 8 1 chip. So it is the newest processor from Qualcomm. It's a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. I apologize, that name is the weirdest. It used to be better when it was the Snapdragon 888 or the 865 or the 855 or the 820. That kind of thing is kind of hard to go through that. Now, the display is absolutely beautiful. As you can see there, it is a 6.8 inch display, Super AMOLED dynamic display, Infinity O display, 500 ppi. It has 120 hertz refresh rate, and you can go anywhere from 120 down to all the way down to 1. So it is the first device that does that. I know that the Note 20, the Galaxy 20 Ultra, only went to, it was a fixed refresh rate at 120, and then the Galaxy 21 Ultra only went down to 10 hertz. So if you're into that kind of nerd jargon, then it does have a refreshable refresh rate, variable refresh rate. so it goes up and down that way. Now, as far as software is concerned, you get Android 12 out the box, Samsung UI 4.0. You get 4 years of major updates, 5 years of security updates. So that is just awesome. Now, taking a look around the device, it's a square device. So you could actually stand this on its side and you don't even have to worry about it. It's a complete boxy design. You got your volume up and down here on the sides. You got your power button there. That's your antenna there for your cell tower. On the top here, you get a little microphone action. And then on the bottom, you get your SIM card and your pin here and your Type-C. Then on the back, you get that quad runner of cameras on the back that are absolutely delicious. You get a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. You get a 108 megapixel wide angle camera. And then you get 2 telephoto lenses. You get the 3x zoom telephoto lens and the 10x zoom photo lenses. You can see the sensors there are absolutely incredible. But you really could do some great stuff with this phone. You can zoom in at 3x, 10x, 30x, all the way to 100x. So it's got that laser focus video. You could do 8K, 4K, 30, 60. That is phenomenal. Then on the front, you do get the front facing camera there at the top here, and it is a 40 megapixel camera. And from the pictures that I've seen, it looks really good. I'm really impressed with the camera. So you get, what else do you get with this phone? You get the DeX. So you get a lot of flexibility with the DeX mode. So you can put it up to a desktop or a monitor. Now this has stereo speakers on here, which is absolutely phenomenal. So you get a lot of things here. But this is just the initial unboxing. I kind of wanted to show you guys the device, bust it open for you guys real quick. But as you can see there, it's got that quad camera, man, and it's looking fierce. I can't wait to try out these cameras. I'll be doing some videos on the 4K video and 1080p video. Now, as you can see there, right out the box, you have Google Messages. This is not the Samsung messages that we are used to. So as far as that's concerned, you can check that out. You get your chat features there that I will get there when I put my SIM card in here. I'll be starting to use this as my full-time device. Now, if you go in here, you do get the, I believe you do get the Samsung message. Let's see here, Samsung. You do get the Samsung messages there, right here. That is your Samsung messages. Let me allow that. But that's not on by default. The default one is the Google Messages, which is great. All right, so we're gonna set up the fingerprint reader. That's real easy. Just go into settings, biometrics and security, like so. Fingerprints, I enter my PIN. You have to set up a PIN to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and continue. Start scanning with the center of your tip. Right there, see? So what we'll do is we're gonna kind of go around like this. See, different people do it a different way, but I kind of just go around the whole device. Little secret I have. And then we kind of get the edges. So that's pretty fast. So go ahead and hit done. Go out. Try this bad boy. Boom. That's pretty darn fast. Yeah. So the ultrasonic is pretty fast. Listen, jump down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of this beast of a phone. It is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's been talked about for so long. I finally have it in hand. I'm excited. To me, it's the Note 22. Plain and simple. That's going to do it. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, jump down and comment. Let me know what you guys think of this beast of a phone, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I can't wait to check it out. Peace, party people.